Hello learners, welcome to Kalam Learning Lab YouTube channel. In this video series of everything about courses, we are starting with a series with the first video about digital marketing course. So we will be understanding first of all what is digital marketing and what is the scope of digital marketing, what is the job role of digital marketing, and what you will learn in digital marketing, and what are the salary insights of digital marketing as a freelancer, what is the career opportunities with respect to digital marketing, and also we will tell you what is the overall how exactly you have to learn this digital marketing. Is it institute, should you go to institute and learn, or you have to join online courses, or everything about digital marketing. And the reason to start with the digital marketing course is the way we are communicating is with YouTube. That is a digital marketing platform. So as a tribute and gratitude to this digital world, so I'm just starting with this course, and the video might take around 10 to 12 minutes time, but I'm gonna go deep, and I have listed out many things for you, so I'll be explaining each and everything in detail. The first question is, what is digital marketing? To keep it very simple, starting from WhatsApp status, Instagram story, YouTube video, Google, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Quora, or any of those digital platforms, if you use these platforms to sell something or to promote any business, that is called digital marketing. Promoting any business online and taking your product or service to to your audience and reaching them and trying to sell those products through digital ecosystem. This is the whole idea behind digital marketing. And there are various modules in digital marketing, and digital marketing as itself, the name starts with the word digital. Everything happens online. There is there is no such thing where you have to go outside to the field and sell something. Everything happens digitally. Now, what is the scope? The second important question that we all have to ask ourselves is, what is the scope of digital marketing? And by this scope of digital marketing, what we understand is what will be the future of digital marketing. Not only for this, for every course, this is very important that you should know what is the market opportunity, not today, after 5 years, because any student or any working professional, when he want to do some skill and if he want to upgrade himself, he always look like in this way, like I want to learn this course, I want to make my better career in this. So it's very important that you should know what will be the market opportunity. To understand that, I have listed some facts and figures to explain you, and which are very interesting and promising that digital marketing gonna grow in India. According to Economic Times, by 2023, there will be around 82 crore people who will be using smartphones. Looks, more than 50% of our population will be, having smartphones. That is the power of mobile penetration, which is going to happen in few years, sorry. And second is internet penetration. If you just closely observe and go back before 2017, we all were using 1 GB internet per month, and today we are using 2 GB internet per day, and which will get exhausted by night 10:30, and we are waiting for next 1.5 hours to get back another 2 GB. So that's because of Jio and mobile penetration, like companies like Redmi and Realme, who started selling mobiles, and companies like Jio started giving services of internet services at very low cost. The penetration of mobile and also internet is growing crazily, and we cannot sleep without seeing ads on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media networking platforms. We cannot see anybody who is using internet and mobile, he cannot sleep without without seeing ads. And who does this all advertisement? Digital marketer. So that next is, I have listed some crazy information. Listen, if you look at airlines industry, for airlines industry, it took 62 years to get 50 million users. And for electricity, it took 46 years to get 50 million users. And for TV, it took 22 years, to get 50 million users. It's very hard to remember the numbers I have listed on paper. So that's why I'm seeing my paper. And even if you look at ATM, it took 18 years to get 50 million users. And also computer took 4 years to get 50 million users. You know, the game called Pokemon. For example, Facebook also took 3-4 years to get 50 million users. But one game called Pokemon Go, which got 50 million users in just 19 days. In just 19 days, it got 50 million users. So these are the some facts and figures, and this history always makes your foundation strong, that you can rely on this domain and industry. And the third important question that we all have to ask ourselves is what you will be learning in this digital marketing, and what are the major concepts that you will be learning in this digital marketing. The first is SEO, search engine optimization. How you can take your website on the top of Google's page is the major thing that you will be learning. And the SEO doesn't stop only there, that also goes with video, audio, and every thing. So like SEO is everywhere. So first is SEO, and second is Google Ads. How you run ads on YouTube, how you run ads on other websites, how you run ads on Google's page, how you rank, take your website on the top by paying money. So that is Google Ads. And next is how you promote your products in social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Quora. So you have SEO, search engine optimization. The first, second is Google Ads, which is also called as SEM. Third is social media marketing, where you promote your product and service and various social media platforms. And you have email marketing, how to build an email list and promote your products and send direct email message templates to those people, your audience, and try to sell your products. Email marketing. And next is affiliate marketing, how you sell other products and take a commission out of it, and that is your email affiliate marketing. And also you will learn video marketing, how to promote product videos using YouTube platform, and how to reach out your audience and try to get those people to website and sell your products. That's video marketing. And also how to sell your products on e-commerce websites. So basically these are the 7 different things that you will be learning in a digital marketing course. But major 3 things are SEO, search engine optimization, and second is Google Ads, which is called as SEM, search engine marketing, and third is SMM, social media marketing. Next, when it comes to job, the fourth important question that we have is jobs. So when it comes to job market, if you look at LinkedIn, if you look at Naukri.com, Indeed, and Times, Google Jobs and IIM Jobs, if you all put together, right now you might get more than 1 lakh jobs available for digital marketing in India. And so there are 2 things to be known in job scenario. One is in-house digital marketer, or you're working in an agency. What do I mean by in-house digital marketer and in agency means? For example, take assume that you are working in real estate company, and the real estate company have hired you for their company for a digital marketing. So that is called in-house. Or else, if this real estate company have paid money to some agency to promote their business, then agency might hire you for digital for their company. So there are 2 things. One is in-house digital marketer, and in agency. You'll be working either in in-house or in digital in a digital marketing agencies. So these are the 2 different things, and very important thing that you should know. In agency, you'll not be working on one company. You'll be having multiple projects and multiple clients. You'll be working with different companies. What I would suggest is, as a fresher, it's better to start off with agencies, so that you'll get an hands-on experience on various domains and industry. It might be edutech, finance, how to promote edutech companies, how to promote hospitality companies, how to work in retail for retail promotions, how to work with local companies, and how to promote their business on digital, how to work with hospitality companies, and how to work with what is that luxury products or apparels, brands and e-commerce companies. So agency work with multiple clients, but whereas in-house, for example, if you're working in any insurance company, you'll be working only on insurance, and the in-house company will be will be paying you salary for digital marketing job. So when it comes to job, these are the two things that you should remember. And when it comes to salary part, on an average, a digital marketing executive will start with 18 to 20,000 salary, and it might reach up to 30 to 40,000 also, depending upon their skill set and their experience they have got. And one thing, there are many people who at a digital marketing manager position at after 3 and 4 years of their experience, where they are taking 4 to 5 6 7 lakhs package per annum, and for 8 to 9 years of solid experience, you might also take 2 lakh salary per month. So that's huge the industry is. And the very important aspect of digital marketing is freelancing. So it's not only that you have to completely work only on digital marketing in an only company. You can also work as a freelancer. Companies like HubStaff.in, HubStaff Talent, and PaperHour, Fiverr.com, and Freelancer. You can register yourself as a freelancer and work with a lot of companies as a freelancer. You can also earn a lot of money, and it's a you can also keep this as a passive income also. So there are many websites where you can register yourself as a digital marketing freelancer. You can do SEO for their websites. You can promote their business through YouTube ads. You can promote their business on social media platforms. You can do a lot of things. So you can also switch your career from, if you want to have a part-time job and also have a passive income, freelance in digital marketing is a great option, and many people in market do this, and they maintain both. I mean, one is active income and also a passive income with digital marketing. And how to learn digital marketing. Digital marketing is such an industry where unless and until we execute something, it's very hard to understand the subject. So it's very important that you just not only learn the subject, but it's very important that how do you convert what you have learned. So I would strongly recommend you all not just to learn from some online course or YouTube videos or some websites. It's better that you start your own website or blog and do SEO for that, and try to run Google ads or video ads, and connect that with the Facebook page and Instagram page and run ads there and try to get the traffic. And that's where the whole beauty of digital marketing is. So you can just start working on all those parameters, which can surely help you in building up your career in digital marketing. At one point, what I would suggest you is, digital marketing is more of a strategy job. I mean, you should use your brain, how you can sell your products or reach out to your customers and selling your products. And that strategy comes not just by watching videos, not just by listening to someone, or not just by watching some reading some blog. It's very important that how do you execute it, and the results will always teach you the better things. Because experienced person can give you great wisdom than a person who have just learned some subject. So it's my suggestion, or the way I learn digital marketing, or I practice digital marketing, is I run ads, I build websites, I create funnels for companies and for my own career growth. I would recommend you people to better start executing and be okay to make your hands dirty, but at the same time know the worst conditions. So this is all about digital marketing. For any queries and mentoring and any help with respect to career course and job perspective, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and write a mail. We will try to help you out with digital marketing or any other course that you want to learn. Thank you all. See you all in the next course video. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Let's teach to learn. Thank you.